Look at this Python script. What you are seeing is NVIDIA's GLM 5.2 model generating complex logic directly inside Visual Studio Code, completely in real time. Setting this up requires solving a structural problem. Cloud code expects an Anthropic format, but NVIDIA outputs OpenAI. Direct communication fails. Notice the green path. Routing traffic through a local Jan proxy translates these requests on the fly. Before we start, you will need 3 things installed on your machine: Visual Studio Code, a free NVIDIA Developer account, and the Jan proxy app itself. Once we connect these 3 pieces, you get access to a frontier-level coding assistant without paying for a premium cloud subscription. Let's grab the NVIDIA credentials first. Navigate over to build.nvidia.com. From the top navigation bar, click the Models tab and locate GLM 5.2 in the catalog. On the Models detail page, look at the base URL section highlighted here. We will need this specific endpoint address to configure our proxy shortly. To actually generate the key for that endpoint, you need to authorize your session. Click the blue Login button to sign into your free NVIDIA Developer account. Once you are inside the Developer dashboard, generate a new API key. Click the copy icon right next to the generated string. Keep that key secure on your clipboard. It serves as the secure handshake, allowing your local machine to talk safely to NVIDIA's compute cluster. Now we set up the translator. Go to the Jan.ai website and download the installer for your specific operating system. Open the Jan application. Down in the bottom left corner, click the gear icon to open your core settings. Under the Providers menu, you will see a list of supported integrations. Scroll down until you find NVIDIA NIM and select it. Look for the enablement switch at the top right of the panel. Click it so it turns green, activating the integration. In the base URL field, carefully type integrate.api.nvidia.com/v1. Make absolutely sure you do not add a trailing slash at the end of that address, or the connection will fail. Move down to the authorization field and paste that NVIDIA API key you copied from the dashboard earlier. With the credentials in place, click the refresh icon on your model's dashboard. This tells Jan to pull the latest list of available models directly from NVIDIA. Open your model drop-down menu and verify that GLM 5.2 now shows up in your local list. Your local proxy is now live. It's successfully sitting on your machine, capable of translating between your code editor and the NVIDIA cloud. Step 3 is hooking this into your code editor. Open Visual Studio Code, search for the cloud code extension in the marketplace, and hit install. Pay close attention to this next step because there's a common trap here. If you sign in with a Google account, the extension will lock you into their remote cloud endpoints, overriding our custom proxy. When the authentication screen appears, ignore the login prompts entirely. Just click Skip at the very bottom. Skipping that login is the exact action allowing your IDE to look inward at your Jan proxy rather than outward at a generic cloud server. Inside VS Code, navigate to the Cloud Code Settings panel. We need to tell the extension which AI model to use as its default. Open the Default Model dropdown. Search for the NVIDIA category and select GLM 5.2. Take a moment to confirm that the default Claude model is completely swapped out and GLM 5.2 is now set as your primary engine. Scroll down and click Save and Enable. To ensure these environment variables apply correctly, you must launch a new terminal or fully restart your server right now. The bridge is complete. Your editor is talking to the local proxy, and the proxy is talking securely to the NVIDIA cloud. Let's go ahead and test the connection. I will prompt the editor to write a quick function that calculates factorials. Look at the script window. GLM 5.2 responds instantly, streaming Python logic back through the local proxy into the file. In the bottom right corner, a green checkmark confirms the AI response generated successfully. The routing works perfectly. You have successfully built a private, high-speed coding assistant that bypasses formatting restrictions and runs at zero extra cost. If this helped you streamline your dev environment, subscribe for more tutorials on local AI tools.